In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a filter in LibreOffice Calc. If your spreadsheet isn't showing all the rows you expect, there's a good chance a filter is hiding some of your data. I'll walk you through 2 clean ways to bring everything back. First, how to show all rows while keeping the filter drop-down arrows in place, and second, how to turn filtering off entirely so those arrows disappear. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc and opening the spreadsheet you're working on. Once your file is open, take a quick look at the column headers. If you see small drop-down arrows, AutoFilter is enabled. When a filter is actually applied, you may also notice a little funnel icon or that certain columns show only a subset of values. That's your clue that rows are hidden by filter criteria. If you want to keep those drop-down arrows available for later use, but show every row right now, use the Reset option. Go to the menu bar at the top and open Data. From there, choose More Filters, and then click Reset Filter. This tells Calc to clear the current filtering rules without removing the AutoFilter itself. Your previously hidden rows should reappear, and the drop-down arrows stay in place, so you can quickly filter again when you need to. This is perfect when you're frequently switching views and want filtering tools ready to go. If you'd rather remove the filter drop-down arrows altogether and see all data with no filtering active, use the AutoFilter toggle. Head back to the Data menu and click AutoFilter. AutoFilter works like an on-off switch. If it's currently on, clicking it turns it off, which removes the drop-down arrows and shows all rows. If you later decide you need the filters again, you can return to the same menu and click AutoFilter once more to bring the arrows back. A couple of quick tips as you verify your results. After resetting the filter, scan the row numbers on the left side. If you no longer see gaps in the numbering, everything is visible. After turning AutoFilter off, the arrows in the header row should disappear completely, confirming that filtering has been disabled. That's all you need. Open your document, decide whether you want to keep the filter tools or turn them off, then use Reset Filter to clear criteria or AutoFilter to toggle filtering entirely. With these options, you can move smoothly between focused, filtered views and a complete, unfiltered sheet whenever you like.